When I seen this gift box at a Dollar Tree, I knew it would make a cute purse or gift bag, whatever you want to call it. I used the X-Acto knife to put like a small slit or hole on the side of the box so that I could push the ribbon through. I double knotted the ribbon. I put 2 knots in it. And then I just rolled out a big long piece of ribbon because I didn't know exactly how much I was going to need. I got this beaded heart from the Dollar Tree and I used pliers to open it up so that I could remove the beads. And then I just put the beads on the ribbon. I used a toothpick to push the ribbon through the beads. It made it a whole lot easier. Same thing for the other side of the box. I poked a hole on the side with an X-Acto knife, then tied the ribbon with 2 knots on the other side, just so it would be secure and that the ribbon would not pull out of the box. And then I added in my candy that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And then the Dollar Tree also had this cute little plushy heart keychain. It was by the checkout. And that's it. Easy peasy. Such a cute gift idea for a girl for Valentine's Day. And if you want to be extra, you can add a name on the front. I know these heart signs from the Dollar Tree make really nice home decor, but you can turn these into gifts. They look like heart suckers, which is great because the stick is already connected to the heart. I removed the ribbon that came with it and just placed some small candies on front of it. And then I stuffed it inside a clear shrink wrap bag and used ribbon wire to hold the bag in place. I then used this heating tool that I have from PYD Life. You can use a blow dryer. Doesn't matter which heating tool you use, and it shrinks the wrap around your object. I then used this ribbon that I also got from the Dollar Tree to tie a bow at the bottom. Now the stem is kind of plain in my opinion, so if you have a Cricut machine, you can add a name to the stem or the stick and it makes it look extra pretty if you want to be extra. And this is the final look. At this point, you already know, I went to the Dollar Tree. Ladies, y'all know what the men's want for Valentine's Day? Some new drawers. The Dollar Tree got 2 different styles they can choose from. Now, if he bigger than the extra large, they do not have his size. He might can squeeze in the extra large, but it's going to stretch the hearts out a little bit. Now, you got to razzle dazzle the drawers up. You know, make them nice. I put property up. And then I put my picture on the center of them. I use my Cricut machine to cut the heart out. And I am using a t-shirt transfer. The brand is called Avery for dark fabric, and I'm just gonna iron it on the center. Now y'all, before y'all get to fighting and wanting to argue and tussle in the comments, this is just a funny gift. It is meant to be a funny gift. Before the men get in the comments talking about, oh, I wish my woman would give me some drawers from the Dollar Tree. That's the same thing mine said. But I think he low-key liked them. What y'all think? Yes, we all know if you see these in the Dollar Tree, grab them because they sell out fast. But once you open them up and put your recording on the cassette, it's kind of hard to gift them. I created this image on Canva. I printed it out on glossy photo sticker paper and I placed it on some cardstock. I used an X-Acto knife to trim away the border. I was trying to come up with a repackaging concept, a way to re-gift it because again, once you open it, it's hard to gift. I used the clear piece that came on the original package and I cleaned it up with some alcohol. Would have been a lot easier if I had acetone. It did take some time. I then placed double-sided tape on the clear package and then I just secured it onto my design in the center. And this is the final look.